This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how you can dynamically display current year in your hosting a website builder. First, I go to google.com and type hostinger. I click on that. Now, I log in using my Gmail account. On the left hand side, I click on websites, websites list. Now I scroll down and I choose the fourth website which is built using Hostinger website builder. I click on edit website. Now our website has been opened. I scroll down and go to last of the page. Here you can see the copyright section which displays the past year 2024. Now we are going to replace this with the current year. For this, I go to left hand side and click on add element. I scroll down. Now I click on embed code. Here you can see enter code. For this, we are going to enter the code which displays the current year. Now I copy the code which is on the notepad. Right mouse click copy and I replace this with the current code. Here you can see the JavaScript which is displays the current year and the shopping name and the rights reserved. On the top you can see the background color is white. Now I click on embed code. Now we successfully get the current year and the shop name and the rights. Now I click on the old one and click on delete and I move this to the old location. Now I click on update website. Now the website changes are published successfully. I click on visit site and scroll down. Here you can see our website is updated with the current year 2025 and the name, shop name. So in this way you can easily dynamically add current year to any website using the embed code. Thank you.